You mean you like horror?
Horror.
Yeah.
H-O-R-R-O-R.
That Pittsburgh accent turns it into horror.
Horror.
Did you know that?
Horror.
Horror.
Yeah, that's not an easy word to say. Let me spell it for you. H-O-R-R-O-R.
That's what you like. That it still sounds the same.
Yeah.
The Steelers have a horrible quarterback situation.
Was there?
No, there's no sex in this movie.
Oh, I'm not watching it then.
No, it's not good from a sex standpoint, but it is good
I ask that for every show.
It is good from a thriller standpoint, and the sci-fi is meh.